So what are we doing?
So I was thinking about like this sort of
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
How much did you consult?
couple months.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And you waited this whole time?
Yes.
Okay, I better deliver.
My hair is quite warm, so I'm okay for you.
You're happy to have a bit of warmth?
Yeah,
on it?
yeah.
Okay, perfect. It's going to be a full-on transformation. So we want to make this a very low maintenance, but a high impact.
Yes.
You are really pretty. Oh my god, that's really good. My makeup.